What are the biggest challenges for robot safety standards? Imagine a world where robots work seamlessly alongside humans, helping us in factories, hospitals, and homes. But how do we make sure these machines are safe for everyone? That's where robot safety standards come into play. As robotics technology grows faster and smarter, setting rules to keep everyone safe becomes more complex. One major challenge is keeping up with rapid technological changes. Robots now come in many forms, from simple automated arms to intelligent collaborative robots that work side by side with people. Safety rules need constant updates to cover new robot types and their ways of interacting with humans. For example, recent updates to international standards include classifications for collaborative robots and specific safety measures for shared workspaces. Without these updates, safety guidelines could become outdated quickly. Another big challenge is managing human-robot interaction. Robots are no longer confined to cages or isolated areas. They now operate in shared environments where humans and robots work closely together. This means safety standards must address unpredictable situations, like manual load and unload tasks or robots using different tools. Ensuring robots behave predictably in these dynamic settings is tricky, especially when robots need to respond quickly to human actions. Cybersecurity is also a growing concern. Modern robots are connected to networks and control systems, making them vulnerable to hacking or unauthorized access. If a hacker takes control of a robot, it could cause accidents or injuries. New safety standards now include cybersecurity requirements to prevent such risks, making sure robots are protected from digital threats that could impact physical safety. Balancing innovation with safety compliance is another challenge. Manufacturers want to develop advanced robots without being bogged down by overly complicated rules. Clear guidelines are needed for safety testing and functional safety requirements, so companies can innovate while still following safety laws. This helps bring new robotic solutions to market faster and safer. Global harmonization of standards is essential because robotics is a worldwide industry. Different countries have their own rules, which can cause confusion or delays. Efforts are underway to align standards like the international ISO 10218 with American and Canadian safety codes. This makes it easier for companies to operate across borders and ensures consistent safety levels everywhere. Training workers and fostering a safety-first culture is vital. As safety standards evolve, employees must learn new procedures and understand how to work safely with robots. Companies need to invest in training programs to make sure everyone knows how to operate and interact with robots safely, especially in collaborative environments. Finally, practical limitations like sensor reliability and operating in unstructured environments pose challenges. Robots working outdoors or on rough terrain face issues with sensors that might not always work perfectly. Safety standards must consider these real-world conditions to prevent accidents and ensure robots behave safely outside controlled settings. In summary, the biggest hurdles for robot safety standards are keeping pace with fast-changing technology, managing complex human-robot interactions, incorporating cybersecurity measures, balancing innovation with clear rules, harmonizing international standards, training personnel effectively, and addressing real-world deployment challenges. The latest updates to standards like ISO 10218 aim to meet these challenges by providing clearer classifications, safety guidelines, and cybersecurity requirements. This helps create safer, smarter robotic systems that can work alongside humans in a variety of environments.